Welcome to Basic Electrical Engineering Part 3, Electric Potential and EMF. In this video, we will explore the engine and the load in electrical installations, understanding concepts like potential rise, drops, and electromotive force. Electric potential is the capacity to do work. A charged body stores energy, which we call electric potential. 1 volt means that 1 coulomb of charge carries 1 joule of energy. A potential difference is necessary to create a flow of charge. When 2 bodies have different electric potentials and a wire connects them, electrons flow from the lower potential to the higher potential. Current only flows when this difference exists. The flow stops when potentials equalize. An active device or engine is needed to provide an electromotive force, or EMF, to maintain the potential difference. The chemical action within the cell transfers electrons, maintaining the pressure. The term electromotive force is confusing because EMF is not a mechanical force. It represents total energy. The battery acts as a pump, lifting electrons from a low-energy state to a high-energy state. A circuit contains energy sources and energy consumers. The battery supplies energy, which we call a potential rise. The resistor consumes energy, which is a potential drop. Potential difference consumes the energy. As the charge travels through the load, it collides with the atoms of the material. The resistor converts the electrical energy into heat. This table provides a diagnostic comparison of electromotive force and potential difference. EMF is the total energy supplied and maintains the flow, resulting in a potential rise. Potential difference is energy consumed and results from the flow, leading to a potential drop. The life cycle of electrical energy requires a perfect balance. The source inputs energy, and the load outputs energy. Total energy in, or EMF, must equal total energy out, which are the potential drops. Voltage requires 2 points for comparison. Technicians use the earth, which has 0 potential, as the ground or absolute baseline to measure system voltage.